One medieval weapon could reduce any fortress to rubble and changed warfare forever. The trebuchet. Invented in China between the 5th and 3rd centuries BCE, this siege engine could hurl stones weighing up to 1,000 to 1,300 kilograms, making traditional castle walls completely obsolete. Engineers had to redesign fortifications with thicker walls and rounded towers just to survive its devastating power. The trebuchet dominated battlefields for over 1,000 years until gunpowder finally replaced it in the 15th century.
Made with 1703.co.